Hey guys, I've got another really weird fan for you today. It's Kichler Frey. Recently, and let me just say, it's a very intriguing fan. Now, call this fan what you wish. I've heard this fan being called 3 planks on a can, which I can definitely see. That was a pretty funny comment. And I've heard people also say that they didn't realize the blades were actual blades and that they were floor tiles, which is also ridiculous. In fact, the name Frey is a pretty good name for this fan. Reason being, the word Frey means to fight. And as you can see, it looks like 3 swords clashing due to the overlap of the blades. So, yeah. So, the blades are 56 inches long, but they have, but they're also like 20 inches if you count the overlapping parts. Starting off the remote. So when I got this fan, it didn't come with a remote, so I had to get this 6-speed Kichler remote and from Amazon. And yeah, this fan's DC and has 6 speeds, so here's the light. The light's actually halogen, previously to what I thought it was. I thought it was fluorescent or LED, but it's halogen. You can press like both the up light and down light to dim it. It has a pretty good dimming range. Here's speed 1. As you can see, because this fan's DC, well, it didn't jerk that time, but DC fans have the tendency to jerk. Probably because like they have magnets. Think about like how North on a magnet kind of repels. Kind of the same concept, except it does it really to get current or regulate current. In my opinion, it's a little quick of a low speed. It's not like a restaurant low speed like Casablanca has. Speed 2. Forgot to mention, the fan's blades are a 7 and 12 blade pitch, so the short little tidbits are 7 degrees of a pitch, which is pretty odd. And the normal blades have a 12-degree blade pitch. And since it's a more conservative fan, wattage and amperage are reduced. It only uses like 35 watts on high and 0.3 amps. Which is the advantage. It's a DC motor. Hold on. Whoops. Speed 3. I accidentally fat fingered it. This fan also has a pretty small DC motor. I wouldn't say as small as the Maverick, which has like an 88 millimeter DC motor, but it's small in this fan. It's like a 125 DC motor. But DC motors really don't have to be big to be powerful. Speed 4. Once again, I have to thank you for your votes on the polls, because I was kind of undecided what to get. Unfortunately, I think the designer fountains, I can't find it. I think it got sold, but I don't know about the wind. Kind of want to be conservative on my fans. That's why I'm planning to sell this. If you're interested and you want to get this fan, let me know in the comments section. And when I post it on eBay, maybe you can buy my fan. Speed 5. It's Kichler, it's good quality, and it's a really unique design that would really match any, I wouldn't say like traditional, but definitely a more so contemporary fan. All right, and here's high, or speed 6. It's not the fastest thing in the world due to how the blades are shaped, but it's a pretty good air mover for what it is. It's, as my dad described this fan, because he was like sitting 12 or 14 feet away from the fan, he really liked the airflow on this, so it's a really powerful fan. Let's check the airflow on this, so. It's definitely a nice breeze. Turn on the light. All right, now it's time for spin down. Overall, I'm pretty excited to have this fan, although it'll be temporary, hopefully, but I really don't know too much about this fan. I'm about to show you the tags, and hold on. So here are the tags. It's made by Yongguo Limited, if I'm doing it right. 120 volts, 60 hertz, 35 watts. I'm just gonna go along with the STD number, quite the name, and assume that it was made on January 2013, but it doesn't make sense. These fans were introduced in 2014. So, once again, if you could help me out with the tags and help me figure out the date and other important details on this fan, let me know. Also, this fan, if you want to buy it, has 0 scratches, 0 dents. It's perfectly, it's pretty much a new fan, so yeah. And that'll be it for the video, and I'll see you in the next one.